How to see answers on Google Forms. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to see the answers from the Google Forms. What you need to do is open the form that you have. When you open the form there, you'll be able to see an example of an answer sheet. And for you to see the correct answer, what you need to do is to right click on the page and go to View Page Source. When you click on it, you will be routed into this page where there's a bunch of codes. What you need to do is click on Control F on your keyboard and then enter or copy and paste the question from the Google form. And there you can click on the arrow, and there you'll be able to see the question, and there you will be able to find the answers after the question. You just need to look for it, and that's it. That's how you'll be able to see the answers from Google Forms. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.